All right, guys, so I'm up here visiting with Riggs, and he has a, what year is this?
91.
1991 foxbody. It's the LX. It has a 4-cylinder in it, and it won't be in there for very long. We're gonna tear the power steering lines out of this thing and pull the engine, and then I'll get right back to you. All right, welcome back again. We got both of the engines up on the engine stands, and we're getting ready to pull the 2.3 out of this car. It'll be posted up on Facebook, so anybody that's in the Mount Vernon area, if you're looking for a 2.3 out of a foxbody, he'll have one posted. And also the 5-speed manual trans to go with it. We got all that stuff taken out of the center of the car there to get it ready to drop out. The drive shaft's out, and it's all unhooked underneath there. So we'll have this thing out here shortly, and I'll come back at you. We now have the engine out of the car, pulled the harness out of the car as well. And believe it or not, that harness will fit through that little hole. Jake proved me wrong. And it is, main ECU for the harness is right here. It takes a 10mm bolt that's attached to the main plug for the ECU, and you just take that out and it'll pull right out. But there's the 2.3 with the trans out of the car. So we just got a little bit of rust here to fix up on the strut tower, and this side's not as bad as the passenger side, but just a little bit of cleanup. He's gonna have a friend of his from work come by and help him fix it up. We're gonna plasma torch out the bad and weld in new, and paint up this engine bay to where it looks as good as the rest of the car. But I'll get an update on this as soon as he gets some more work done on it.
Yeah, it's a little worse than I thought. But not that good.